Introducing the Wave 315D TIG welder. This DC TIG welder has a pulse function as well as a MMA function. This machine has hot start, arc force, built-in anti-stick, as well as AVR. This machine is aluminum capable due to the AC TIG mode. First, turn the welder on using the switch at the back of the machine. This button is used to purge the gas and prime it for use. This button allows the user to enable the pulse function. This button is the latch button, allowing the user to switch between 2T and 4T welding. This is the current mode selector. This includes AC TIG mode and DC TIG mode. This is the mode button. It allows the user to switch between TIG, lift TIG, and MMA welding. This is the save and load buttons. The save button saves the current settings. The load button loads a saved preset. This is the multifunction dial. It is used to navigate through pulse waveform stages on the diagram around it. Press it to enter selection and rotate to change the value. This is the waveform diagram. It includes the TIG weld cycle, and the dial adjusts these parameters, such as ignition current, hot start, upslope, peak current, pulse ratio, frequency, base current, downslope, crater current, and arc force. The left and right arrow buttons are the parameter selection and navigation keys. They are used to move across all the adjustable stages. This is the LCD display. It shows the numeric value of the parameter you're currently adjusting, depending on which light is on. These lights are the working indicator, alarm, or thermal protection, and power lights. This is the power switch for the water tank. This is the fill cap for the water reservoir. This is the water inlet and outlet that the torch connects to. This is the water level window. Use it when filling up the tank. At the back of the machine is the gas input nozzle. This is the connector where a foot-operated pedal can be connected to. Connect the earth clamp to the positive socket. Then connect the torch to the negative socket on the machine. Then connect the torch gas hose to the output nozzle. Lastly, connect the remote wire to its socket on the machine. Connect the water input and output hoses of the water-cooled torch to the machine. The torches that come with these machines have a built-in adjustment dial on the torch for remote adjustments while welding or while the user is away from the machine.